We haven't been over here to Cracker Barrel in a while, so we decided to come over here. Donny's excited. These are on sale. You know how he likes his patriotic shirts. He said $12 on sale. He's gonna get my brother one and himself one. Also getting a Navy shirt for my brother and me. Our dad was the Navy.
So, whitefish. Oh. Seafood there. Mmm.
Only one that's
Hot and crispy. Oh, and what great tartar sauce they have here. Mm. Steak fry? Sorry, you mixed the greens. Mm. Greens with hot vinegar, even neat and seasoned perfectly. Wonderful. They also do cheese curds here to rival anybody's. It's even as good as cookouts. Wow. All right.
And this is
Steak tips.
steak tip.
They're supposed to cook them medium well.
Man, the flavor is so good in this. Man, super yummy. Mmm.
And so they were nice enough to give us some extra butter. Melted. Oh, yeah.
Very good broccoli.
Cooked just right, huh?
I'm gonna try that.
And the apple dessert.
Nice cinnamon flavor. Very, very good.
Oh, and grab a cheese curd.
I have to try a cheese curd.
I mean, we've been raving on cookouts, and these are just as good. Not too spicy. Just a cheese curd with a breaded coating.
Yeah, they're just as good as.
Very good.
Yeah, definitely.
All thumbs up, even for the biscuits. You're on.
I'm gonna try a little piece of Donny's fish. Nice crunch in the batter.
Yep. Not
It's a
fishy
mild.
at all.
It's a mild, like breading. It's not like a strong flavor to it, but it's got a nice crunch to it. And yeah, it's not fishy. And the meat is good. The fish.
Pink.
Donny's gonna try a little piece of my steak tips.
Oh my goodness, is that tender?
Isn't that got a really good flavor?
That's got to be marinated or something. Wow, that's through and through. Boy, if you want to give up any more, I'll take them.
Decided to get some fall flavors. This is a apple cobbler.
And you're.
It almost is like a cookie crust, the top. It's different than any cobbler I've had. It's good. It's almost like a crumbly cookie. The apple's good. I think this is a caramel drizzle, maybe.
All right, you're right. I've never had a cobbler with a piece of cardboard across it. Okay, it's not cardboard. This looks like it. Wow, that's hot. That's almost too hot to eat.
What do you think of the top?
Yeah, it's a neat idea. It's like a not a graham cracker crust. It's definitely sugary. Anyway, on another camera, it's very good cobbler. Cinnamon, cooked apples, and then this kind of a crusty thing they put in here, right there. And then the ice cream. And is it hot? I'm telling you, it's hot, like temperature-wise.
It's very different flavor. Very different.
Not what you're expecting.